The CF error code on a Bosch boiler indicates an accumulation of dirt residue in the flue gas outlet. This issue can be caused by several factors, including gas flow hindrance, dirt buildup in the gas outlet, or a blockage of the gas outlet. To address the problem, restarting the boiler is a good first step. This can be done by turning off the hot water system at the main power outlet, then opening the hot water tap to its maximum flow. Next, turn the boiler back on and reset it by holding and pressing the reset button for up to 10 minutes, ensuring the boiler correctly and fully resets before checking the firing system again. If these steps do not resolve the issue, and the error code persists on the digital monitor of the temperature regulator, it may be necessary to consult a qualified and reliable heating engineer for a thorough check and possible repair of the appliance.